So this video just to give you like an overview of what's needed to replace the hinge pins and bushings on your car. Let's say like you have play when you lift your door like this, so you have 4 bushings. You have to either grind these right here and use a punch and a hammer to drive the old pin out. What I did was to remove these bolts so I could turn the all hinge and have enough space to drive these ones out. The bottom one is just the same as you can see right here. So once you're done, it will look like this. You can see a C-clip right there. I don't know if it's from here. You can see the new pin and new bushings, and this is the lower one. Yeah, I know it's dirty. So once you have installed the new ones, you want to get these bolts as much as possible to the old alignment. I used a small mirror to look for the marks of these bolts on the hinges. So if you have problems like the door is tilting outside or inside right here, or on the lower side, or if the line is uneven between these two sides, you want to use these bolts. Okay, you'll use either these two or these two down here. But let's say if the door looks like it's like this or like this in comparison to the other body panels, you'll need to loosen these bolts. Here you can see one here which should be loosened from the inside of the car. There's another one right here. That's one. That's for the lower side. So that's pretty much it. Just install the bolts, leave them a little bit loose, and work on the door to make it even with the rest of the car. Like I use it floor jack here. I use it padded stuff, some rubber, so you don't damage the paint, to move the door up and down. When I needed to tilt it in and out, I just close it like that, and I hit slightly this back so it will be even with the rest of the car. In case your door is still hard to close, you need to either adjust this or install the plastic bushing on this. I used some transparent hose, so mine are closing perfect now. Okay, so good luck, and let me know if you need any more help.